In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Apple Wallet in App Store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay, which is the payment system used by your Apple Wallet for you to confirm purchases. You will be able to do this process on the App Store for any applications or anything that you purchase, and that is extremely straightforward. So first, you will have to assign a payment method to your Apple Wallet as a prerequisite. So I recommend that you open the Wallet application, and in there, tap the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to add various different payment methods, but I'm going to be focusing on credit or debit card, which is going to be the main one used on the App Store. So choose the option to add a debit or credit card and go through the process of assigning a card to your Apple Wallet. You will be able to use your camera to scan all of the details about the card, such as the card number, expiry date, and security code, or alternatively, you can enter them manually, whatever you prefer. Once you enter your name, the card number, and all other necessary details, you will go through the verification process, and eventually the card is going to be listed as a payment method on your Apple Wallet. Now you can proceed to the App Store, choose the app or the item that you want to purchase, and when you tap the Get button or the Price button, you will be able to select Apple Pay as your primary payment method. Now you will be able to authenticate this purchase with Face ID or Touch ID or even your passcode, and as long as you authorize this payment, you will be able to get it through with the payment method that you assign to your wallet. You can have multiple cards at once, and you can select individually for each purchase. Apple Pay uses advanced security features, so you will never have to worry about your payment information being leaked. And like I mentioned, it is always going to be available as a payment method on the App Store, so you can purchase anything available in there with a specific card that you assign to your Apple Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Wallet in App Store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.